on YouTube it doesn't. What?
What, Van?
What are you talking? What are you talking about? I'm not Jew, I'm German. You fucking asshole! Ah, you douche!
What the fuck? Alright, easy with that motherfucker. Man, no. You already got me with that motherfucker once.
Say sorry.
Were you sorry when you hit me in the ass with it?
Say sorry!
Were you sorry when you hit me?
1, 2, 3, sorry. 1, 2, 3, sorry. Say it!
You say it with me.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Sorry.
There, get him. On your side. Hold on. Oh, I can't turn it. Get him. I see the motherfucker.
Right around with fucking tasers fucking flying around like guns. Oh man, we're going to jail. Bail bondsman arrested. What? What? What are you talking about?
Ready?
Oh, God!
You know where we're at now, doesn't it?
Somewhere where you work. I don't know where the fuck is that.
Oh, shit. People just walking around like it ain't an arena.
What?
Are you with Brian?
Here, got that fucking girl.
Yeah, what did you say?
I called Mike Thompson and he won't have a payment until Friday.
Perfect. That's perfect.
That's actually perfect.
Why is that?
That's the day he's going back to fucking jail.
Because that's the fucking day he's going back to jail. Very nice.
Shit, well,
What are you saying on Friday?
No, I gotta.
Get him on that.
I had nothing to do down here. I gotta go back up there and do some work.
Alright, well I just want to let you know, he said he'll have 250 for us on Friday.
Yeah, what the fuck is 250?
That's what I'm saying.
He's gonna pay that 250.
Yours is about 20 G's.
Take it to jail.
He better have 250 times that by a few, otherwise I'm fucking sticking my taser right in his asshole. Yes, he's going to jail. He's on a warrant. He's got a warrant. He needs to go back.
He'll be going back Tuesday on Friday, I guess. So we're gonna pick him up Friday.
For the third time, Vess.
Alright, thank you very much.
This is not what we called you for, though.
She's trying to hit me on the fucking inside.
Okay, what you calling for?
Who's that?
Okay.
We need the number for this fucking crackhead who accused us of stealing four-wheeler. We want to call her. We're going to see Muzz tonight.
Okay, we want Christina's number?
Yeah, that's the dude.
Yeah.
That's her. Yeah.
Okay, it's 443-566-2907.
Yeah, like